Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how the detail mark works in Tableau. In order to show you, let's create a basic chart. So let's drag in category to our view. Let's drag and drop it on rows, and let's drag in sales onto columns. And as we can see, it created a basic bar chart showing the different amount of sales that occurred in each of these different subcategories. So in order to show you the different subcategories that fall under these categories, let's drag subcategory on top of color or detail, and it will group all the items, the subcategories that fall under these categories. So as you can see, within this furniture category, tables is part of it, furnishing, chairs, bookcases, and so on. So if we were to add color to it, we can see it much cleaner. So we can see that furniture took this amount of sales, furnishings took this amount of sales, and so on. We can also turn on the labels, and we can see the amount of sales that occurred under each of these different subcategories within this category. So about 83,000 occurred in furniture, 46,000 occurred in furnishings, 141 occurred in, say, chairs, and so on. So this is how you use the detail mark in Tableau.